If one wants one's life to be an experience that is truly complete, then body and mind health are absolutely essential. To maintain body health, we eat good food, we take rest, and we exercise the body. We have taken to games, yoga practice, and gymnasium on a daily basis. Here we shall contemplate on what has remained neglected. Raj Yoga meditation is an extremely easy exercise of the mind. It's an easy way to achieve the internal health. It ensures the attainment of the proper health of the mind, mental peace, happiness, and spiritual growth. First, one experiences the immense powers larger within one's mind. And then progress towards the true experience of Supreme Soul through the practice of Raj Yoga meditation. We experience only a small percentage of the universe through our physical organs. There are endless secrets that defy answers that are perceived at the mental or spiritual level. Peace, love, bliss, satisfaction, contentment, etc. are not physical in nature, nor are they obtained by physical means. These are spiritual states of the mind, or these are our real nature. There are numerous experiences of a spiritual nature, of immense beauty. We are aware that our five senses have their limits. For example, our eyes are not capable of seeing the ultraviolet and infrared rays. We see only those colors and their mixtures that are in between Weibjian. Similarly, there are sounds the ears do not hear and smells that we do not perceive. There are subtleties and expanses that can be perceived neither by our sense organs nor machines. This can be achieved only through meditation. Through meditation, we enter what is brimming with us, but is unknown to us, namely our divinity. At the same time, we also attain heights in a physical sense. We fly by the power of meditation to heights, to our original states, something that we cannot attain by non-physical means. It is worthwhile to follow certain rules if one wants to take up Raj Yoga. To make it interesting and absorbing, one may take a few preparatory steps. First, choose a suitable sport for a daily practice of Raj Yoga. If we do the practice in the same spot for a few days, The place will be itself a suits the necessary ambience. Pay particular attention that the place is clean, decorated in a manner that will make the mind feel calm and peaceful, perhaps with a few flowers. A pleasant fragrance too will be welcome. A brightly light place may cause some strain when we begin the meditation exercise. Hence, the mild lighting is preferable. If one likes a focal point to concentrate upon, one may hang a lightened picture like this. Please note that this place should not have other objects like pictures, statues, etc., because your mind will follow these also. Since Raj Yoga is a mind exercise, there are no do's and don'ts about posture. One may sit on the floor on a spread or on a chair. What is important is that one should choose a posture that will allow one to sit for a length of time comfortably. Meditation is not possible when the posture causes uneasy, nor is it possible to meditate when the posture is too comfortable for meditation, may then transform into sleep. So, sit erect and remain comfortable. If the chosen spot is filled with noises, play soft meditative music or Raj Yoga commentary. Prepare for this very purpose and create the right atmosphere.
I focus my thoughts on I, being of light.
To get the body and mind together, it is good to concentrate on the rhythm of one's breath or the heartbeat. The meditation process follows this preparation with the help of thought formulations. Relax the body from the tie to head. Set aside all thoughts and tell the mind that you're going to travel all by yourself into the soul. If at this point the mind resorts to building its web of thoughts, do not try to chase or destroy those thoughts. The solution to this is a stronger resolve that you are not going to attend to them. You are going to ignore them. Bring your attention to the center point in between the brows. Inside the brain, wherein resides the aware, conscious being called the Atma or soul. Feel the peace and bliss this bring about and experience it. In this condition of deep, inexpressible peace and silence, I begin to remember my divine beginnings. The very thought transports me to Shantidham, or the abode of peace. In this world, the highest of the worlds, filled with light, I experience the highest source of energy, the Supreme Soul. The love-filled rays of the Supreme Soul's energy immerse me in an ocean of peace. The qualities and powers of the Supreme Father radiate toward and within me. The radiation causes the seeding of godly qualities and powers within every nook and corner of the soul. I became aware of my eternal powers that had been asleep till now. With full, fresh enthusiasm, I take in my own hands my new life. When Raj Yoga meditation becomes a habit, it can be done anywhere, anytime, with ease. In the midst of a busy office day, when you feel a little tired, you can spare 1 minute and meditate. Then you can continue your job with more perfection. In the middle of a traffic jam, you may, instead of becoming tense, switch off the engine for a few seconds and meditate with calm mind. Connect with Supreme Being. As one waits for the pressure cooker whistle, why waste that time? Why not meditate and ensure that the kitchen is filled with an ambience of tranquility? Make meditation your everyday companion. Bid goodbye to worry, tension, and doubt, and welcome peace and happiness instead.
How food and rest is important for our physical health. Spiritual knowledge and meditation is very important for our mental health. To make our life peaceful and happy, meditation is the best solution. We shall make a new beginning to bring about a big change in our life and in our society. We lovingly invite you all to this blissful path of Raj Yoga.